Councilman Gordon.
At the risk of opening up a very big can of worms, one of the things we just discussed this evening had to do with disputes over decisions of the community development director. And if we're going to contemporize all the development agreements, wasn't it the case with the recently approved airport development agreement and project that disputes would go to outside cities to be resolved, or arbitrators or something? Am I missing something here?
I don't want to misspeak because I did that earlier. My recollection is we had outsiders over issues just having to do with building officials, but then I think our dispute resolution may, and I want to check it, so if someone can pull it up, I'd be really grateful. I may be actually able to pull it up as well if someone else can't get to it. I think there was stuff about possible mediation. But this sort of sets out a whole process which Mr. Prescott just reported, because I had remembered that it's the process for that part, the dispute, is what was in the IKEA. Some of the stuff in the airport was done because the airport had been a special case and we carried over original language that had been in the 2005. In terms of development agreements, if it was in the IKEA, then that's been something that we've carried through and most likely in any other more recent one we've done. So I can go and pull up the airport one and check and see what else we might have added. There might have been a mediation clause. I can't swear to it, but it also it had some different things in it. So I can look at that if you choose. The one on, and here we go. It's so great. Dispute resolution. Disputes arising out of the agreement. There is a procedure for a dispute resolution panel.
Which is different from what we have here.
Right.
Okay, my suggestion.
Well, I'm sorry. This one is sort of easy. It's all internal. The one that we put in the airport, how do I say this without sounding terrible? The other one, the way I look at it is, and this one centers on dispute resolutions versus interpretation.
The party of the first part should be known in this contract as the party of the first part.
In the Disney one, had to do an interpretation.
That sounds a little better this time.
You know,
well, it grows on you. Would you like to hear it once more? Just the first part.
But what
do you mean, the party of the first part? No, the first part of the party of the first part.
Community Development Director says no, and then it can go to our planning department and to
the first part of the party of the first part should be known in this contract as the first part of the party of the first part. Should be known in this contract. Look, why should we quarrel about a thing like this? We'll take it right out, eh? It's too long anyhow.
In this one,
now what have we got left?
It's an alternative dispute resolution, and you have to actually appoint retired judges.
The party of the second part should be known in this contract as the party of the second part.
Not just about interpretation. I'm not sure what else. We always contemplated that
now
could happen.
I don't like the second party either.
Which sections are applicable
well, you should have come to the first party. We didn't get home till around 4 in the morning. I was blind for 3 days.
One is internal, and it goes through the normal course.
Why can't the first part of the second party be the second part of the first party? Then you'll have something.
The decision or the
designee.
It goes
rather
to
than
the
go through all that again, what do you say?
Fine. That's what's followed in.
Now I've got something here you're bound to like. You'd be crazy about it.
No,
I don't like it. You don't like what? Whatever it is, I don't like it. Well, don't let's break up an old friendship over a thing like that. Ready? Okay.
You could say in between that you want someone to go to mediation.
Now, the next part, I don't think you're going to like.
But I would not suggest that we want on a regular basis having a full alternative dispute resolutions that can get very, very expensive, quite frankly.
Vice Mayor Rogers.
Yeah, I feel that got off track really fast.